Hi, welcome back to DIY Chip Daddy. I think there's something wrong on the carriage right here, this part. I think the gear is stripped out or something, because I find now I have more noise on the garage opener, which wasn't sounds like that before. Okay, let's see. I think the noise started when it's halfway, and suddenly you have some tuck 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 tucks like that. So let me find out which part is bad or almost gone. I think it's the gear. Yeah, definitely it's almost starting from the middle and go to the end. But interesting enough that it's supposed to have the same tick sound when going down, but I don't think I hear that. Let me investigate and I update what is the cause of that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. It seems like this is the part I need to replace, and normally it's because of the gear. It's all worn out, and I believe I haven't changed this for a long time, at least 15-20 years, so I think it's about time you go back. I will update whether this is the cause after I change it. Please like, subscribe and comment so you can see my update. Thank you so much for watching. So if you experience this and know what's the reason why only half of it making noise and the other half is fine, please let me know. Appreciate your input, because the more I thinking, if this unit is bad, it should be always bad. It shouldn't be half of it making noise and half of it don't, unless it's this steel bar with gear inside. Only this section has worn out and not the second half. That's the only reason I can't think of, because I was standing right under this track. The noise is making through this, so either this one or the gear inside, only on this portion. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.